Okay, this is Will from Will's Scroll Saw Workshop. Just wanted to make a really quick video for now of a new addition inside the workshop. So I'll just flip it around and start from the door and work my way around. And here's the door. And I want to say too, this is on my new camera I got. I'm trying it out, see how it works. I got the scroll saw over here by the window now. And that's where my foot pedal is. A TV, toolbox, little table. This stuff here for all the tape and everything, tape measures, and that cabinet. Oh yeah, and I moved my magnifying glass with the light over here, and the scroll saw blades that I use mostly. There's the Craftsman clock. Up there's my scroll saw man I made with there's some old wood planes, some other stuff that I've made, clamps, fans hanging up there. And here's where I put my laser at. So that's a bunch of tools and stuff I got sitting there out of the way for now. And up here I put bolts and nuts and stuff. Got stuff up here in the top. Little assortment of screws and stuff. My little drill press. I think I fixed it. Got the chuck to stay in. Up here's my different paints, clamps, all my sandpapers. This is another assortment of bolts and nuts and stuff like that. It's the stuff. Up there is the things for my my sander. And this is the new addition. It's a cabinet my stepdaughter gave me. They had it down in their basement. I got a lot of tools and stuff in the drawers and excess stuff. Then in the cabinet here is where I put all the things that I've made so far in the drawer in the cabinet there. And the bottom is just some small pieces of wood that I can use. There's my air compressor, tool belts. That's the thing that controls the temperature of inside of here where these paint traps, so they don't freeze. Squares, levels. This is my little quarter cable saw. There's my Craftsman cordless tools and battery station I made. My coffee pot. Here's the sander. It's not going to be permanently there, just whenever I need it I can put it there. The stereo. Down there's my shop vac. Up here's some more clamps and some other odds and ends stuff and some books. And a radio my mom and dad give me. And this is the tilt table that I made. It's got the saw on one side and my wood planer on the other. I can just flip it. Here's some extra pieces of wood and stuff that I use. Up there's a first aid kit, mask and earphones and stuff, and my apron. And here we're back at the door. But I got my laptop there to run my laser. And there's a desktop computer. I gotta find a power cord for it to see if I could use that instead of the laptop to run my laser. But other than that, that's about it. This bench here was the new addition, so I can have more storage space and put stuff that I've made in. So there'll be more videos coming up, and hopefully it won't be too long. I'm gonna get ready to print out some things and get some wood boards ready to start cutting out, and I'll have another video of some more projects I'm making and more trips going over to the river or sitting outside with my fire pit. But that's about it for now. I'll get back on whenever I get some stuff ready to start cutting. We'll see you later. And remember, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and thumbs up, all that stuff that they talk about. So I'll see you later. Bye.